Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Babita, and in today's short video, we will understand how to differentiate between a neurosensory detachment and a pigment epithelial detachment on OCT. As always, before starting this video, I would like to remind you that in case you wish to see my videos in Hindi, then the link to my Hindi channel can be found in the description box below. So let's begin. Neurosensory detachment or NSD refers to the separation of the neurosensory retina from retinal pigment epithelium. On the other hand, pigment epithelial detachment or PED refers to the separation of the retinal pigment epithelium from the Bruch's membrane of choroid. So this is a normal OCT scan. This is the choroid, and as we go from the choroid to retina, the first hyperreflective line that we see is this. This line represents the RPE or the retinal pigment epithelium. The rest of the retinal layers together constitute what is known as the neurosensory retina. So when this neurosensory retina detaches from the underlying retinal pigment epithelium, then that condition is known as neurosensory detachment. The separation occurs at the level of the interdigitation zone, which represents the junction between the outer segments of photoreceptors and the apical surface of RPE cells. I have explained the layers of retina on OCT in detail in another video which you can check out later. So this is the image of a neurosensory detachment. You can see that the entire neurosensory retina has gotten detached from the retinal pigment epithelium. This is because of the collection of fluid between these two layers. Fluid because this space is optically empty. It is completely black on OCT. These are some other images of NSD. You can see a very shallow NSD here. Now let's talk about pigment epithelial detachment or PED. As the name suggests, PED refers to the separation of the retinal pigment epithelium. And what does it separate from? It separates from the underlying choroid, specifically the Bruch's membrane of choroid that lies underneath it. So in this image, you can see that this hyperreflective layer represents the retinal pigment epithelium, and at this point, it is detached from the underlying choroid. So this is a pigment epithelial detachment. This is another OCT showing a small PED. These are multiple PEDs, and this is a large PED. In various conditions, both PED and NSD can be seen together in the same scan. Like in this scan, this here is a neurosensory detachment and this one is a pigment epithelial detachment. This is one more OCT depicting both an NSD as well as a PED. In fact, in this one you can see two PEDs, one just below the NSD. So that is all for this video. I hope the difference between an NSD and a PED is clear to you now. Please like and share this video with your friends and colleagues if you found it useful, and do subscribe to my channel to support free education. Thank you very much.